Hey guys, how's everybody doing? Hopefully great. This video is going to be a little bit different than my typical Heaven's Little Devil videos. Typically I do gaming videos, and this one is on one of the best ways to peel hard-boiled eggs. I had somebody asking about it in Beware the Bears Discord and thought that I would share what I do to get my eggs to peel very well. I typically have farm fresh eggs because we have chickens that we free range, and they are really, really hard to peel. So my best recommendation is to boil them and then cool them down with some cold water or ice water and then peel them with a spoon. And I'm going to show you here how to do it. I hope you enjoy this video. If you do, press that like button. And if you're not already subscribed and enjoy my videos, please press the subscribe button. Have a great day. Alright, so we just boiled some eggs for about 11 minutes, and I put the pan in here. I dumped all the hot water out and ran cold water on them. I let them sit for a couple minutes, and now I am peeling them. So what I do, and hopefully you guys can actually see what I'm doing here, is I take the egg, see it? Yep. Take the egg and I smash it on the counter real good, and I roll it a bit. And you should be able to feel the membrane stop attaching to it or whatever. But these are not farm fresh eggs. These are cage-free eggs from the store, so they typically peel better. But then I go under one of these and I try to get under that membrane. You gotta get under that membrane, otherwise the egg is not gonna peel off. So right here you can see that the membrane, see how it's kind of wrinkly? That's the membrane. So what you got to do is you got to get under that and keep that attached to the shell. Sometimes I can't get it, and I'll like rip it off a little bit. So once you get that going, you got to get under it with that spoon. This is just a small, regular small spoon. And the eggs are still a little bit warm, which helps separate that peel. But you just pull it off, and then it kind of just does its thing. So, hang on. There you go. So there you go. There's a peeled egg. Sorry. Hopefully that got that. It wasn't too high. And then I just rinse them off, and we use the little egg slicer, and that's that. So hopefully that helps. Have a great day. Thank you for watching, and you can check out the links below, some of which are from the music that was provided in this video and where you can get more Heaven's Little Devil. Have a great day. Thanks.